Dongguan Helian Mould Company Limited is a modernized comprehensive enterprise which is specialized in metal zipper, nylon zipper, invisible zipper, and precision zipper mold, zinc die casting mold, or skates at 2 Industrial Zone, HUMEN Town, Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Covers 4,005 building square meters and hires 110 employees. Since rebuilt in 2006, Helian was equipped with Taiwan technology and MIDI cutting machines and times 3-dimension projector from America, Japan, Switzerland, and Taiwan for both mold making. Additional FDAC and DAC are row mold steel loads. Base management attracts technicians. Cutting, mold making, and zipper making to join this family and working over years, cadmium, pass ITS and SGS testing, reputation, and always towards best as a big team to business relationship with India Ideal and Philippines Tri-State. Now, Helian, we warmly welcome all customers.